Hello, guys. Hello to everyone. I'm greeting you on our channel, my just viewers and my dear subscribers. Today, I will help you get the biggest bonus up to $520, and I will show you how to correctly activate the promo code. Our first step, for this we need to download the application from the official site. You can find the link somebody the internet sorry guys, and download this. After loading the application, we are going to this app, and if you have an account, then log out of it. It's important, guys, for get the biggest bonus hub. And right now I will tell you about a small secret which help you get every time the biggest bonus hub. For this we need the register in your account every time with our actual promo code, which you can find in our description. Next step, tap registration. In this menu, you can see 4 variants. Today, I will tell you about all 4 variants of registration, and you will know how you can do this. The during of our video, in the right corner, you will see the green check mark. What you need to do with this green check mark, I will tell you in the end of our video. Watch till the end and you will know what happened when you tap on this. Tap on one click. First variant, current country is your current country, mine's Canada. Current value to US dollar. Select a bonus on sports or casino, wherever you want. If you bet on the sport, choose sport. If you play in casino, choose casino. Accept. Accept. And enter the actual promo code is ZANOS24 and accept all the rules. Second variant, by phone. Code of your current country, your actual phone number. Enter this. Current value to US dollar. Enter the promo code is ZANOS24. Select a bonus on sports or casino and accept all the rules. Third variant, full registration. Surname, for example, Tim. First name, for example, Jack. Current country, your region, city or town, and date of your birth. Choose it in account settings. Current value to US dollar, your actual memory address into this, and your phone number. Enter your password, and you can copy it and paste in the field of repeat passwords. Enter the promo code is ZANOS, select your bonus and receive news outcomes and accept all the rules. Final variant, social media, choose your social network, current country, current value to US dollar, choose your bonus, and the working promo code is ZANOS24, enter this, confirm, and next tap on the green check mark. And after capture, you will see your actual login and password. I recommend you to change it or screenshot this for pleasure of fraudulent lose a big bonus. Finally, go to account deposits menu. In this menu, in order to receive a bonus, you need to replenish the balance in any way convenient for you. Balance is replenished almost instantly. Guys, if you have any question, ask them in the comments. I will definitely answer them. Thank you for watching. Thank you for your support. If you want to support us more, subscribe on our channel and use our actual promo codes. Goodbye and good luck. So have fun.